Guys, let's get into the Ethereum chart here. We've seen crypto prices crash across the board, and I think it's important at this stage where we've seen prices come down a lot, we get a reset and get some good perspective of what's going on in the market. So I want to spend just a minute talking about Bitcoin before I get into my specific Ethereum levels and prediction. It's crucial at this moment in time we look at what Bitcoin's doing so we get an understanding of the market overall. As you know, Bitcoin has a key influence of this, and I know many of you that hold Ethereum hold Bitcoin too. So let's take a look at the price action here just after everyone smashes the like, of course, and subscribes down below if you're new to the channel. Guys, look at this. We are on 39,000.9. Let's get to 40,000 and beyond that in this video, guys. Join the family. So let's start things off on the Bitcoin price action here. The first thing that you can notice is we have this head and shoulders pattern that's formed since the summer. A huge shoulder, a big head, and another shoulders played out, and we can see something similar that played out earlier in the year where we had this head and shoulders pattern that didn't actually break to the downside and continued on bullish. What actually happened was we got a huge spike to the upside from the bottom right to the top of 136% pump. So if that was to happen on this time, just for fun, before I go into some more actual technicals, if we were to get the same kind of pump, 136% from this bottom, what we'd be talking about in terms of a Bitcoin price, guys, would be somewhere in the region of around $100,000, which would be lovely to see. I'm sure you would agree, guys. So let's talk about that. And before I go into the Ethereum price action here, we're going to look at this chart, which is the daily. Very, very important we look at that, the key levels of support resistance to take note of as to where you should buy, where you should be holding to, and we'll also be covering the more short-term price action as well. Let's quickly cover what's going on with Bitcoin in terms of these levels. So we're currently at a crucial level of support. Crucial, guys. 41,400, thereabouts. It's a strong level of support that seems to be playing true here, all along here, resistance, all the way through, guys. Very strong level. We may keep that level. If we don't, however, the next level you have to consider for the Bitcoin price is down at around 34,000. And in terms of percentage move, guys, that would look something like around 18% move to the downside. So there's still some pretty big price movements we could still see, and obviously if that level doesn't hold, you have to consider the $29,000 Bitcoin price, guys. The great thing about the volatility in the market right now is you can make a lot of money off it, guys, of course, by trading. BYBIT, $4,100 bonus down below where I traded. It's by far, in my opinion, the best trading platform. You can make money when the price goes up and go down, guys. And what I'd recommend, if you want to learn how to trade, check out this video. I'll put a link up there. Learn to trade crypto for beginners. I made that video. It's just 2 minutes long. Check it out. It will tell you all about how you can learn to trade with me and my community through MTA, Marsell Trading Academy. So that's Bitcoin. That's how we're looking. And of course, we could just, this is a weekly candle chart, by the way, guys. So we're not necessarily going to break this. We've still got a good 4 days to go before we break to the down, before that candle ends. And if it confirms and gets support, then happy days. The bull cycle continues and it's a great buying opportunity. So let's cover Ethereum. Let's talk about the price action here. Very interesting to see on the daily, we're being supported by this $3,152 mark. Strong support level. You can see how it's carried through this period. We have broken to the downside out of this wedge, but we haven't confirmed yet on the daily. There's 4 hours left to go, so that could be something we may be doing. Keep a close eye on that. Of course, there's more chance we break to lower levels if we confirm that on the daily chart. So the next level you have to consider for Ethereum is this level. You can see down here, 2,750. In terms of a move, if we short that, we're looking at around a 12% dump. Again, guys, you can make money when the price goes down. BYBIT, learn how to trade. Watch my BYBIT for beginners video as well before you trade, because trading can be risky. And guys, $4,100. People have been asking me, do you actually get the bonus? Yes, you do, but it's on deposit. You do have to deposit, and there are some deposit limits. It should say that in the link. It'll all the rules and terms and conditions are there. But they do actually give $4,000 bonus when you sign up with BYBIT. So Ethereum, that's how we're looking short term. Even shorter term, let's go into this hourly chart here. We're currently in this descending wedge, which of course, as you know, guys, is bullish. Very, very bullish, and I expect a pump at some point to the upside to retest that $3,425 level. However, we could see some downward price action first. Like I showed you in this chart, we could come down to as low as around $2,760, which would mean coming down to well, the very, very apex, let's say, of this wedge. It would be somewhere around here, which is viable. That could happen. And then if we come down to that level, I'll be looking to put on a long from that level all the way back up to the previous resistance for a huge pump of 21% to retest the previous support and resistance, guys. So that's how things are currently looking. Guys, don't forget to check out the Learn to Trade Crypto for Beginners video, my BYBIT for Beginners video. Claim your $4,100 bonus down below. And guys, for you in the States that want to trade, you'll need a VPN to do so. That's my recommended VPN down below to claim that bonus. Thank you so much for joining me on this one, guys, and I will see you on another video. Take care. Bye-bye.